You know, when I started to build my drone, I told a friend to give me 2, maybe 3 days tops. Spoiler alert, it took over a month. And honestly, I wouldn't change a thing. See, I must have taken JC Frankenstein apart and put them back together at least 1,000 times. And every time I thought I found the fix, bam, something else would pop up. And just when I was about to throw the motors at the wall, the solution just showed up like it'd been hiding in plain sight the whole time. It was so simple. It was too simple. But in that process, I didn't just build a drone. I built confidence. I built patience. I built that crazy FPV pilot brain that sees a wire and instantly knows where it goes. So to anyone thinking about jumping into this hobby, let me say this to you. It's not just about the flight. It's about the build. It's not about getting it perfect the first time. It's about learning every time. It's frustrating, yeah, but it's also one of the most rewarding things that you'll ever do. Now, when I rip through the sky, I see every mistake I made and every lesson that came with it flying right alongside me. So if you're on the fence or in the middle of building your own and cussing at your soldering iron, keep going, because when you finally arm that quiet and you hear that sweet beep, man, it's nothing like it. Welcome to the journey. This is ShowMeFPV.